rules or principles that shape our inner compass. They tell us and they tell others what we stand for. So Kevin Cashman says that values really provide a sense of conscious context to our lives and to our leading. So wisdom, for instance, is a value that I hold very deeply, and it really does inform my leadership, my coaching, my parenting. So I think about, the experiences that I have, I let those inform my going forward. And it also, for me, gives me a little bit of a break that when I do experience setbacks or failures, that I know it's really only deepening my wisdom. So for me, wisdom is a value that really guides me in the day-to-day in a lot of different roles. Well, values let people know who we are as leaders. Every day, for better or worse, we are modeling to other people. And people can sense if we're leading from our values, from a place of consciousness or purpose, or not. So people trust leaders that are in alignment with their values, people that lead from character. Well, think again about a leader. That leader that you determined earlier had self-mastery. You probably got a window into their values. Maybe you got a window into their value of collaboration, or their value of integrity, or their value of innovation, or maybe their value of developing others. But at some level, you probably understood what that leader valued. Bill George says it's critical for leaders to be connected with their values so they can put their values into practice when they're leading. All of us have had an experience of making a really difficult decision as leaders, one that we made from our core values and the outcome that produced. And on the other hand, we probably all made a crucial decision as a leader from a different place where we derailed from our values and probably can even remember back to what that produced. So it's critical that we not only have values and are aware of those, but that we're living from those. And that brings us to this distinction between espoused values and values in action. So espoused values are values that we appreciate and feel connected to, and yet for whatever reason, we're just not living those in the day-to-day. Values in action are values that have a lot of meaning for us and that we are really practicing and demonstrating in the day-to-day. At the end of the day, leaders are defined by their values in action. In our self-mastery class, you will have an opportunity to identify and explore your values and to really make that distinction for yourself. What among your values are you really living, and what is the impact that that